gold.
Welcome back. As I stated in the last video, this is Mechanic Man DIY. We are back to show you our next project, and this is the official unveil and walk around of the 91 Z28 Camaro. So we're going to go ahead and do a quick walk around on the car. I'm going to show you some of the goodies that this thing is packing. It is somebody else's project that I bought. Now that's sometimes a little scary because you never know what you're dealing with. Now what I typically find is people start working on cars, they get to a certain point and they simply lose interest, and that is huge for me because those are the types of cars that I look for. Now you look at cars that are already done, you know, if that's what you're after, if you're looking for a car that's already built and that's what you want to buy, great. I look for cars that still have plenty of meat left on the bone, so to speak, that I can do more work to. I can put my spin on it, and usually I like to leave a little meat on the bone for the next guy because I flip cars. I'm trying anyways. So this one here, we're hoping to flip it. We're going to do some work to it. I'm hoping to flip it, do some work to it, but we're definitely going to have some fun with it in the meantime. So let's get at it. I'll show you what has already been done to this car, and then I don't know, maybe in a later video we'll talk about what I'm going to do to it. But anyways, let's do it. That's my hood prop rod there. It does have the painted 5-spoke Camaro wheels, which I don't know if those are original or not. I don't think so. And feel free to leave comments. If there's something about this car you know about what's factory, what's not, you know, let's hear it. I want to learn too. So it does have the bigger wing on the back. Don't know if I'm crazy about it, but it looks good enough. Little back view of the car. As you can see, it's got some clear coat patina. This is original paint. 133,000 is what the odometer says. Which, you know, you get to a certain point in the car's life, the odometer doesn't really matter. Just because if there's nothing original in the drivetrain or anything like that, then who really cares? So now we're going to get under the hood, and I'm going to show you what we're going to be playing with here. Check this bad girl out. This is just a normal 350 aluminum heads, quick fuel Slayer, 750 carburetor. Originally this would have been a tune port car. Every bit of the tune port injection is gone. Nothing left. It's still running on the electric fuel pump. It's regulated down, going up to the carburetor there. I was told, based on track times, this engine should be in the neighborhood of 400 horsepower. I don't know that to be true. It's never been dynoed. I, at this point, have no way to verify that. But, you know, this is advertised as a 12-second car. So, again, I can't prove it, but we are definitely going to find it. It is mated to a turbo 400 transmission that is supposedly built, had some work done to it inside here. B&M ratchet shifter, full reverse manual valve body installed. You have to manually shift this car. Just a 3-speed, no overdrive. T-top car. If you're going to own a 3rd gen Camaro, it should probably have T-tops. That sold me on this car. May not seem like a big deal, but it really is. The previous owner actually has books and paperwork, all sorts of good details of things that he's done to this car, spec sheets. This is huge. We'll see. Like I said, we still got some digging to do, still need to do some test driving, figure out where the car officially stands in its current state, and then we will make a plan as to what we're going to do. So again, stick around, because we're definitely going to have some fun with this thing. We're going to get it to the track, get it out on the streets, and see what she can do. So stay tuned for the next video.